Hello everyone, I'm Lachlan Loxon and today I'm playing Calm Time. Well, it looked like a horror game, but without further ado, let's get into it. That's E to choose. I live in a small cottage isolated from the town. Silence is law in such a place. My home is almost something akin to an inescapable prison, while the chirping of the sparrows and the breath of the wind are my sole company. This does not sound like a fucking horror game. I like the sound of the wind. I like the sound of the rain. Okay, maybe it's not a horror game. Does still kind of look like one though. Hello, child. Wait, how do I talk to people? Oh, you don't look like a bad person. I like you. Thank you, child. Okay, so I can move slightly faster with sprint. What's that? Oh, it's just the heater. Yeah, fuck going down there. I'm not going down there. Listen, my mobile doesn't work here. Is there something you can do about that? Do I look like a fucking phone repairman? Okay, well, wait, can I look at this? Nah. Oh, I can look at it. Man, this party's such a bore. When are the other guests supposed to come? My best compliments for your home. It's truly beautiful. What the fuck is wrong with your arms? I didn't think there was a cottage nearby. Am I like a serial killer? Can I turn on the TV? Nope. What's this? Okay, I'm just gonna guess there's a Windows then. There's no music. I feel like when I go down to the guests in my house, I can't leave them. I feel like when I go down to the basement, all hell is gonna break loose. I'm happy to help with dinner. What's dinner? Is it all tomato or is it the blood of my previous victims? Other rooms to go in? There's harp. Can I play it? I'll play the harp. This game makes it look like I'm gonna be fucking jump scared or some shit. I really hope not. Okay, upstairs I go. They're guests in my house, I can't leave them. I bet you'll let me down here, won't you? Oh no. What the fuck am I supposed to do with the guest? I'll talk to you again. I don't know how to help you. Can I get you to leave? I didn't want to come here, I miss my mum. Oh, she ain't here. Hey, did you notice that girl in the kitchen? I may hit on her. Probably shouldn't. Although I dress up so nicely, men avoid me rather than approaching me. I feel so lonely. Look at your arms. Your arms are fat. I didn't think there was a cottage nearby. What am I supposed to do? Is there anything that tells me what I'm supposed to do in this game? Okay. Do I just have to talk to everyone multiple times and get all the dialogue? I don't care if you're mobile. That's absurd. There's absolutely no service in this place. It's a fucking cottage. And I'm assuming it's in the middle of nowhere, so of course there's no service. You know, to be honest, I shouldn't be here. Have you seen the kid in some other room? I'm supposed to babysit him, but as soon as I knew about this party, I couldn't help but come. Could you pass me that knife from the table, please? I'll cut the bread. Wait. Can I shank someone? Fuck. Oh my god, I fucking stabbed her. You killed her. Oh my god, you stabbed her, you killed her. Wait. What? Calm myself? Oh no. Nah, fuck this, I'm leaving. I need to go to the basement to cut power. Why the fuck? Oh no. Oh, it's dark in here. Nah. Hello? Nah. Nah, it's gonna be a jump scare, isn't it? Fuck. Oh, for fuck's sake, no. Okay, fuck you lot, I'm leaving. Now fam, I'm good, I don't need to be here. I forgot I could run. What am I supposed to do? Did everyone already escape? Or am I supposed to hunt them down here? I can't leave. Shit. Ooh. What's this? I've got no clue what this is. Nah, is that like blood over there? I don't get the thing of calming myself. All it does is crouch. Or did I just read it wrong? What was the point in turning out the lights? I can't see shit. Did I have to kill her, or did... No, get over here, you're gonna die. Come, die. So I'm guessing I'm just shanking people. Fuck. Do I gotta walk into you? Where'd he go? That twat got saved. Where'd he go? Can't fucking hide from me. What the fuck? Just let me kill him, please. Mate, here's Johnny and all this shit. Stop going... I might actually have a heart attack, you know. Imagine just having a heart attack at such a young age. Why is he a chicken bear? Get back here. fuck's sake, there's... Come over here. Oh my god, I can't even fucking get him. Don't tell me what to do, you fucking static bitch. I don't... Man, there's a fucking goose here. Oh, these paintings are fucked. Do I have to have them up? Can I just chuck them down? I don't want them. Am I just shit out of this game? Am I actually like able to stab him? Mate, I'm just shit. I'm just shit at this game. Oh, maybe I gotta crouch up to them. You cannot see me. Fucking die. Fucking hell. Yeah, bitch, I don't need to go over to you. Have a good time over there. I'm gonna go look for that other guy. One victim down, I forget how much other people there was here. Where the fuck did the guy go? Downstairs? Maybe one of them went in the basement. You don't see me? Die! What do I want from you? I want you dead! Yeah, you're bleeding. And you're gonna die. Somebody help me. No one's here to help you, Chief. You're fucked. Accept your fate. Fucking hell, you got close, didn't you? Cheers. Oh. I like how there's like a normal painting of a dog, and in another room there's just this fucking freaky thing. Am I gonna die at the end of this? I fucking hate this. Shit. Yeah, you ain't protecting shit right there. Bye. But it may mean someone isn't here. Where do I go? Okay, fuck it, I'm checking the basement. So I'm guessing when I cut out the power, the gates can no longer open. So I don't know why no one just decided to try and come back and to turn on the power. Okay, fuck it, I'm going outside. Okay, he's not back there. Can anyone hide around the back here? Nope. Okay then. So if there's no one else inside, everyone must be out here. Come on. I invite everyone to my house and they fucking leave me alone. Ooh. My next victim. Time to go stabby stab. Don't you run from me. He's got fucking pace on him, I'll give him that. Not enough pace, clearly. Ugh. You're a bit too late. Killed him. Wait, if I stab them, they lead blood to where they are. Man, that would have been good for me to see earlier, but I am blind as fuck. Would people not notice that there's just missing people? What is this? Tennis court. And there's a playground. And of course that's where the kid goes. Do you see me? Fuck. Oh my god, there's a fucking back area. Oh. One way in, one way out. A 2-for-1. Mate, this bitch just left the kid all alone. Wait, are you dead? Okay, I'll assume you're dead. I like how the ghost just doesn't turn up for the kid. She's like, nah, fuck you lot. Well, fuck the kid, but... Okay. I'm assuming this bitch is the last one. My lips be hella dry. No one hides in the bathrooms. They've all been watching The Shining. I'm in the kitchen. She's probably still outside, isn't she? I'm just looking in here for no reason. Okay. Not there. Hello. Don't mind me, I'm just looking for someone. Okay, carry on speaking with top level. I don't need to come back here. Hopefully, ever. Basement? If she ain't in the basement, she ain't in the house. Okay. What's the ghost even supposed to do apart from the whole static shit? She ain't helping no one. Okay, so I'll go quickly check over here again in case she went back to her original hiding spot. Oh wait, you did try and help the kid, but you're in the wall. Ha, sucks shit. Okay. One more spot to check. Are you over here? No. Where did this bitch go? This is going to take me a while, isn't it? I might as well just be walking like this half the time. Are you the same person? You can't see me, can you? Look the other way. I said look the other way. Thank you. Get back here. Oh god, I'm losing my balance. You have lost your balance. Now die. Nah. I live in a small cottage isolated from the town. Science is law in such a place. My home is almost something akin to an inescapable prison. And while the chirping of the sparrows and the breath of the wind are my sole company. Because I'm killing all my company. I like the sound of the wind. So calm. Do I need to chuck my headphones off? Is it going to ear rape me? No, it's not. Well, I killed a bunch of people because I like the sound of the wind and not them chatting. So, I'm going to leave this video here now that I've beaten it. I'll leave a link to the game in the description below, but thank you so much for watching. I'll see all of you next time. Bye.